Hello, my name is Daryl Pace. The topic of this PowerPoint presentation is interviews and conferences. I teach science at Baxter County Alternative School, and currently I teach 4 grade levels and 6 different topics. The presentation is for Education 5043 with Dr. Elaine Zimmerly. Interviewing is an interaction between the teacher and the students, which allows the teacher basically to find out what the student understands about the topic, presentation, etc., depending on a set of questions that can maybe planned or unplanned. However, we need to remember our students are our customers, and customer service should always be considered with them. We should meet with the students. The students should be introduced to the process, and as teachers, we need to make sure that we're prepared. Interviews allow us to assess the students' oral communication skills and provide an opportunity to develop a rapid. With that in mind, interviews give us a place to establish relationships with our students. We can talk about their assignments, find out exactly how much they know, come to a common place or a common ground with the assignment, and it gives the teacher an opportunity to make sure that the student knows that both of us are on the same side and our goal is for the student to learn. Student interviews and conferences reinforce communication skills and rapid between the educator and the student. It also allows the educators to promote the students' successes, such as work on their poster project, essays, or homeworks. Personal communication is one of the oldest forms of assessment, and teachers should utilize this valuable tool more frequently and more effectively. With that in mind, teachers should also emphasize the positives of their students. And one way of doing that is to set a positive tone and let them know that we do think they're funny. The students themselves have a positive attitude, and at the end we could tell them that they could possibly work on this aspect of their project to improve it. Seen in the captions on this PowerPoint slide, Sarah may need help with study skills, homework, tests, or quizzes. However, if we use student interviews, she may clarify what she's thinking and be able to provide more in-depth information regarding the course material, which of course would make this form of assessment something that we should think about with her in our diversification processes. With student conferences, we can provide evidence of their work, such as a graded test, incomplete homework, or their quiz grades, and we can talk with the students and find out if there was a misunderstanding of the course concepts, or maybe I, as an educator, need to incorporate a different method in my teaching toolkit to get to the students. On this slide, we have some of the questions that were in Figure 9.6 in our teaching assessment book by Burke, and they pretty much cover a lot of the information, and I like them. For my researches, I went to Teaching Channel and watched the video on parent-teacher conferences, and I did this because I thought that how I should approach the student would be with the same respect that I would approach their parent. And I also went to Harvard and reviewed this PDF file on parent-teacher conferences again for the same reasons. Now in Burke, I found the information regarding the interview techniques, why we do it to develop rapid, and so on.